Can you talk about your diet and specifically why and how that also ties into you're discussing this part of the colon and being able to produce B12 naturally?
Right. Well, strangely enough, the topic of what humans should eat is still being debated. I can't comprehend it, but because when we look at ourselves anatomically and physiologically, we are vegetarian, and that's because of the length of our small intestines, the fact that we still have a cecum. It's not a large cecum, but we still have a cecum. We have a fairly large colon, and if you look at animals, you'll realize that they can get what you eat and what is absorbed in your small intestines is quick. You get quick energy. So, for example, let's look at some of our cousins: the chimp, the bonobo, the orangutan, and the gorilla. Okay, so the chimp and the orangutan, both of them, their relationship between their thumbs and their other fingers, the thumb is way down here. It's like to hear. It's like to hear. There's no way they can grip. I mean, that they can oppose and have any fine movement, right? The gorilla is like us. The gorilla has that ability to do this. And if you watch a gorilla is sitting on the ground, not moving around a lot. They hang out on the ground, and they're picking apart things. They need that to pick apart and pull and all that. They need that dexterity. Well, the orangutan and the chimp, they just have these really long fingers, 4 fingers, and this one is just to grab on the bottom, and they're swinging around. So they're swinging in the trees and they're eating fruit. And so therefore the relationship of their small intestine to their large intestine is larger. They have a larger ratio. Is larger because what they're doing is they're absorbing energy at a quick rate. And look at them. They're more energetic. They're swinging around and they're
compared to the gorilla.
Compared to the gorilla.